Okay, so solve natin yung problem dito. So, under sa venturimeter. So, example, so for a venturimeter shown, ito yan. Ito yung figure. So, the deflection of the mercury in a differential gauge is 0.36 meter. So, ito yun. Ito yung differential gauge natin. So, yung deflection ng mercury, ito mercury to. This is 13.6. So, 0.36. So, if yung specific gravity ng mercury is 13.6, so ano daw yung magiging flow rate nito in cubic meter per second. Okay? So, yung flow rate dito. So, bali dadaan yung tubig dito sa venturimeter. So, meron tayo ditong diameter na 0.2 meter and 0.1 meter dito sa 0.1. Then, sa 0.2 meron tayong 0.2. Okay. So, considering yung Bernoulli's energy equation from 0.2 to 0.1, no? So, from 0.2 to 0.1. Kasi dito nag-start yung tubig. So, gawin ko na lang datum yung ito. So, assume ko na ito yung datum ko, yung 0.2. Pero kahit saan yan, no? Pinakita ko na yan sa previous na video yung datum na to. So, ito na lang yung magiging datum natin. So, sa previous na video, kung hindi nyo pa nakikita, check nyo na lang. Yung datum is kahit saan yan. No? Magiging the same pa rin yung result. So, ito yung datum natin, yung 0.2. So, above, yung height above nyan, i-take natin as positive. Below nyan is i-take natin as negative. So, bali dito, gawa tayo ng Bernoulli's equation sa 0.2. So, meron tayong velocity head plus yung pressure head plus yung elevation head. Wala tayong pump, wala tayong turbine. So, okay na yan. Dito naman is velocity 1 and pressure head plus elevation. Okay. So, ngayon, yung Z2 natin, kung titignan natin yan, ito yung datum natin, ito din yung 0.2. So, ibig sabihin yung Z2 natin is 0. Ito yung 0.1 natin, ito yung datum, so ito yung magiging Z1 kasi ito yung datum eh. So, yung Z1 natin is just 0.75 meter and that is taken as positive, no? Kasi above siya nung datum. So, substitute na lang natin yung mga values. So, meron tayong V2 squared all over 2 times the gravity and then pressure 2. Ba't may squared to? Pressure 2 all over density plus 0. V1 squared all over 2 times the gravity, pressure 1, unit weight, and 0.75. So, makikita natin dito na yung pressure 2 density minus pressure 1 density is plus yung V2 squared. Ano ko na lang, transpose ko lang muna. Gravity is equal lang nung 0.75. So, pwede natin ipag-combine na lang to kasi the same yung denominator. Ganun din dito. So, this is 0.75. Okay, so assume ko na lang na equation A ko yan. So, considering naman yung continuity equation ng 2 to 1. So, bali yung ito yung consider natin, yung 2 tsaka 1. So, meron tayong iba't ibang diameter pero pareho yung flow rate na dadaan dyan, So, bali dito. Okay, so yung diameter dito is meron tayong yung ito 0.2, yung dito is 0.1. So, meron tayong Q1 equals Q2. So, area 1, velocity 1, area 2, velocity 2. So, we have pi over 4 for 1. So, yung diameter na to is, ito yan, 0.1. So, we have 0.1 squared, and then velocity 1. And then again, we have pi over 4, and then area 2. Ito yan, no? So, ito yung diameter niya. 0.2. So, we have 0.2 squared velocity 2. So, meron na tayong velocity 1. Cancel out, cancel out. So, this becomes, ilan to? 0.2 squared all over 0.10 squared velocity 2. So, yung velocity 1 is just 4 times the velocity 2. So, 0.2 squared divided by 0.1 squared. So, 4. So, I assume ito na lang yung equation dito. Okay? So, equation B. So, ngayon, is kunin natin yung manometry equation. Starting from 2 to 1. Okay, so kunin ko na lang muna yung figure. Kunin ko muna yung figure na to. So, gagamitin ko kasi na. So, makikita natin dito sa figure, starting from point 2. Ito yung point 2. Ayan, ito yung point 1. Starting from point 2, so, meron tayong pressure 2. So, dito na ako na point, no? Then, baba ako. Dito na part. So, that is plus density yung, ito water pa rin to, no? Water. So, density nung water. And then, yung height niya is Z plus 0.36. So, according to Pascal, kung ano yung point mo dito, so, pwede kang lumipat dito. Then, pataas na ako, no? So, I have minus, take note, ito is mercury na, no? So, density, hindi pala Pascal yan, no? So, pwede lang ako maglipat dito. And, paakyat na ako. So, this is density ng mercury times yung height niya na 0.36. So, dito na ako na point. Then, aakyat ako ulit. Patungo dito sa point 1. Minus, take note, water na tayo dito, no? Water. So, density ng water times yung height niya na Z plus 0.75. And this is equal to, so, dito na tayo na point. So, pwede natin lumipat dito. Equivalent pa rin yan ng pressure 1. So, ito yung magiging equation natin. So, thus, meron tayong pressure 2 minus pressure 1. Transpose ko na lang. And then, ito i-transpose ko na lang din. Negative density ng water times Z plus 0.36. And then, transpose ko to. Plus density ng mercury times 0.36 plus density ng water. And then, we have Z plus 0.75. So, meron na tayong pressure 2 minus pressure 1. So, we have negative 9, 8, 10 nung Z plus 0.36 plus 9, 810 times 13.6, diba? Times 0.36 plus 9, 810 times Z plus 0.75. So, pwede na nating isimplify ito. Dito na lang sa kabilang side. So, simplify ko na lang. So, bali magiging ano to, P2 minus P1 is equivalent nung negative 9, 8, 10 nung Z minus 9, 8, 10 nung 0.36 plus 9, 8, 10, 13.6 and 0.36 plus 9, 8, 10 nung Z plus 9, 8, 10 nung 0.75. Okay, so ibig sabihin ito magka-crush out na na. Yung ito tsaka ito. Ano pa? I think wala na. So matitira is ito na lang. So meron na tayong pressure 2 minus pressure 1, that is negative 9,810 ng 0.36, 9,810 ng 13.6, 0.36 plus 9,810 ng 0.75. So pressure 2 minus pressure 1, so we have 9,810 0.75 minus 0.36, 9,810, 13.6 and 0.36. So pressure 2 minus pressure 1 equals 51,855.6 Newton per square meter. So yan. So balik tayo dito sa equation A. So kopyahin ko na lang to. So balik tayo dito. So substitute na lang natin yung values. And page. And then kunin ko na lang din yung value ng equation B ko. Copy. Ayan. So, gawin ko na lang equation C ko na. So, kopyahin ko na lang ito. Ayan. So, substitute ko na lang yung values. Okay. So, meron tayong 51855.6 out of 9, 8, 10 plus velocity 2 squared minus 4v2 squared all over 2 times 9.81 is equal to 0.75. So thus meron na tayong velocity 2 and that is 2.44 meter per second. Ngayon yung tanong niya, ano daw yung magiging flow rate, no? So, di ba, nakita na natin dito na sa continuity equation, equivalent lang yung dalawa. So, either na lang sa dalawa yung kukunin ko, no? So, since V2 na yung na-compute ko, so yung V2 na lang, no? So, the same pa din yung value. Q1 equals Q2. So, since meron akong Q2, so, graph ko na lang to, no? So, I have A to V2. So, yung Q natin is meron tayong pi over 4. And then, take note, yung area nung ito is 0.2. So, we have 0.2 squared. Then, yung velocity natin is 2.44. So, meron na tayong 0.077 cubic meter per second. And, ito na yung sagot. Okay, so kasi yung tanong niya is ano daw yung flow rate. Okay, so yun na yun. So we have 0.077 cubic meter per second. So I think that's it. So see you in the next video. Thank you.